For centuries, people believed church bells didn't just call the faithful. They were meant to trap demons. In medieval Europe, bells were baptized, named, and blessed because people believed evil spirits feared their sound. Legends claimed demons were drawn to storms and chaos, so bells were rung loudly to trap or drive them away. Some stories say demons became trapped inside the bells, and if a bell cracked, something escaped. Even today, some churches refuse to melt down old bells, in case the legends are true.